Ready to ditch clunky scheduling and supercharge your project management? First, log into your Jira Cloud instance, then navigate to the Apps section, usually found in the top navigation menu. This is where the magic begins. In the Apps section, select Find New Apps. This will lead you to Atlassian Marketplace, where you can find a variety of integrations which can be downloaded into your Jira environment. Use the search bar to look for a Google Calendar integration for Jira. Several options might appear. Carefully find one that looks like it is what you are looking for, or you can search directly for Google Calendar. Once you have selected your preferred integration, click on it and look more closely at the details. Carefully review the details and the permissions required to make sure that it can access the data you need. Once you have done this, install the app in the settings. By clicking the Get App button, you might need to agree to a few terms and conditions and grant the integration the necessary access permissions. This ensures your Google Calendar can communicate directly with your Jira projects. After installation, go to your project settings within Jira Cloud. Each integration might have specific setup steps, but generally, you'll find a configuration section related to your newly installed Google Calendar integration. Here, you'll connect to your Google account and specify how you wish to sync events. You'll likely need to choose which Google Calendar do you want to sync with. Configure other sync options, such as which Jira issue types or fields will be sent to your Google Calendar. Once connected, you'll start seeing Jira issues automatically appear in your Google Calendar. You can see deadlines, assignees, and other key details displayed. The integration ensures your calendar reflects important Jira project information, keeping you updated. Make sure your sync settings are set correctly. Ensure that changes you make in Jira or Google Calendar automatically update in the other platform. For instance, when you update a due date in Jira, that change will carry over to your connected Google Calendar. Syncing Jira Cloud and Google Calendar streamlines your project management, boosts your productivity, and keeps your entire team organized. Manage your projects like a pro. Give this integration a try for a more organized workflow.